Bullish DIA cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.44 and $3.14 by 2030. Market examiners accept DIA could reach $1.44 by 2025. Bearish DIA market cost expectation for 2022 is 25 cents. DIA presentation. The organization known as Decentralized Data Resource makes the information parcels known as profits that are regularly used in DeFi applications for shrewd agreement. It's far from the value ascent of around half it got in February 2022 when it uncovered an organization with CF benchmarks, a UK-based provider of unbiased normal directional list endorsed by the Monetary Lead Authority, to take care of its visitor profits with information from its crypto file reference costs. Albeit the move was first generally welcomed by the market, the coin's cost a short time later tumbled from most extreme worth to least esteem. This survey will frame late DIA value estimate, examination, and other relevant realities to help you in deciding if DIA is a productive venture. What is DIA? An open-source stage called DIA gives data that excavators of shrewd agreements might use to manage exchanges. For example, at whatever point an exchange is customized to happen just when X occasion happens. To decide if the condition was met, the shrewd agreement will get information from profits. The agreement can continue handling exchanges on account of the profits obtaining, approval, and transmission of this information to the asking parties. The vitally trademark that separates DIA from different profits is that information is gotten and evaluated exclusively by partners through publicly supporting, like how Wikipedia makes it happen. It is an absolutely client-controlled framework where clients are redressed for their endeavors in information revelation. DIA coins are the awards. In the DIA organization, information suppliers are remunerated with DIA coins. Moreover, these monetary standards might be utilized to exchange, send cash, and decision on changes to the ERC20 Ethereum-based DIA organization. DIA major examination. Across chain, start to finish, open source information and profit stage for Web3 is called DIA. We'll currently examine a portion of the extraordinary elements of the stage. No information type limitations. Any sort of on-chain and off-chain information might be obtained utilizing DIA. It simultaneously accumulates data at the exchange level from a great many sources, including takes care of resource costs, metaverse information, credit rates, and that's just the beginning. Customization. Information takes care of with explicit strategy and sources are presented by DIA. These information takes care of are totally adjustable, considering the production of profoundly versatile, custom-fitted feeds that shift the worldview for profits. DIA specialized investigation. DIA had an unprecedented 500% development in only 1 year, showing extraordinary commitment at the future cost expectations. Clients go with beneficial speculation choices in the event that they know about a digital currency task's drawn-out possibility. The incentive and standards of a task will go quite far in guaranteeing that it's worth remaining parts high, despite the fact that this is fundamentally logical. The establishments highlight a successful crypto profit project that adds fundamentally to the blockchain-based economy. Considering this, it is guessed that the drawn-out cost expectation for DIA coin would increment throughout the following quite a long while. The ongoing DIA cost exhibits the improved probability of a critical breakout in the forthcoming weeks. While the bulls and bears on the digital currency market are fighting it out, a few financial backers may be reluctant to take part in any venture. Notwithstanding, this offers a unique opportunity to purchase DIA at a deal and benefit from the ensuing buyer market exchanging. As the trend lines interface, the moving typical combination and disparity marker shows areas of strength for a sign. The overall strength list perusing demonstrates that DIA is still nearly underbought, creating this the ideal open door for some merchants to purchase DIA and ride the market up. DIA current cost. DIA is at present worth 31 cents USD. DIA has moved 2.90% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,864,524. DIA is at present positioned 457 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $28,119,275 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for DIA to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. DIA value expectation 2022. DIA, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The DIA cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 47 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be progressive, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging 44 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is achievable soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. DIA is supposed to have a base worth of 38 cents. DIA value expectation 2023. In 2023, DIA cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DIA will before long outperform 79 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to stand by to check whether the DIA's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, DIA will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 63 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 70 cents. DIA Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $1.12 and DIA might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. DIA is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $1.02 and a low of 95 cents in 2024. DIA Value Expectation 2025. Assuming DIA effectively supports market feeling among digital currency lovers, the DIA coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DIA will be green in 2025. The DIA is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.44, with a base cost of $1.28 and a typical cost of $1.34. DIA Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the DIA cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.66 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.60 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, DIA has a most extreme value worth of $1.76. DIA Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.98. On the off chance that DIA figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $2.08. Neglecting to assemble the help DIA needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.92. DIA Value Expectation 2028. While DIA is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $2.24 and a yearly cost close above $2.40 in 2028. DIA Value Forecast 2029. By 2029, DIA will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $2.56 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $2.72, averaging out at $2.62. DIA Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme DIA cost in 2030 is projected to be $3.14 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $3.01. And it's